welcome back, gang. Welcome to Canadian Quarters Review. Today I'm super excited. I'm filming at a brand new location. This is Kiwi's Powersports, and they are in Enderby, BC, Canada. And I've always wanted to do an ARGO on this channel. And so today is the day. We are looking at a 2021 ARGO 6x6. It's a Frontier 700 Scout. It's a neat looking machine. You're going to want to stick around for this one. So this guy, it's a V-twin electronic fuel injected 23 horsepower engine. It's got a 20 amp alternator output. It's the classic transmission with APS. The tires are 24 by 10 by 8 XT 115s. And of course it comes with the steel rims that you see here. It'll come with a standard bush guard, a winch, and the front rack, which I don't think is on this unit just yet. So as I said before, it has a classic transmission with APS. It's their least complex design. As you can tell, it would operate like a mechanical skid steer. And the APS stands for the ARGO Progressive Steering. So it has a full skate plate that's standard, and of course, like I said, the bush guard. It's got a 2,500 pound worn winch. It's got a front rack that could be an accessory. It's got a bilge pump that is standard. And as I said before, your load capacity is 510 pounds or 231 kilograms. And your load capacity on the water is 141 kilograms or 310 pounds. It's a little bit less. Your towing capacity is 544 kilograms or 1,200 pounds. Your fuel capacity is 27 liters or 7.1 gallons. Your speed on land is about 35 kilometers an hour or 22 miles per hour. And your speed on the water is about 5 kilometers an hour or 3 miles per hour. Your weight is 467 kilograms or 1,030 pounds. It's got standard axle bearing extensions. So your ground pressure, meaning the footprint of this thing, is 0.73 of a psi or 5 kilopascals. It's got 254 millimeters or 10 inches of ground clearance. And if you had the tracks on, which are of course an accessory, 279 millimeters or 11 inches of ground clearance. And it comes with a 1-year warranty, I believe, here in Canada. You got a bench seat in the front and 2 jump seats in the back. You can't get the outboard motor mounts for these things and put like a 9-horse outboard engine on the back of this and tool around with it. It is completely amphibious, and you can be in the water and propel yourself without the outboard engine. As I said before, I'm super excited to be reviewing one of these. These are so cool. They've been around longer than ATVs and UTVs have by far. So the jumper seats back here are pretty small. Good enough for 2 kids maybe. It would squeeze an adult, but I wouldn't want to be in there for very long. And finally, after all these years, they finally have the steering on the left. The older ARGOs actually had the steering in the middle, which was really cumbersome in my opinion. You wouldn't be able to fit 2 adults comfortably in the front with the steering being in the middle. You got some storage here underneath the seat. Very cool. Got a cup holder on each side. So there's your transmission shifter. That would be your throttle. And we've got a gauge package there that I'll show you once I get over there. No glove box. Okay, let's see. And here's your worn winch. Let's see what's under the hood. And there's your Vanguard engine. There's your battery. Very cool. So it is belt driven like an ATV. And I believe it's chains that will actually drive the tires themselves. Yeah, there they are. So cool. I'm sure this would be your brake. Headlight switch. Your kill switch, start switch. That's a really cool unit. I would love to try this out. And even comes with a 2-inch receiver in the rear too. Well guys, this will wrap up yet another episode of Canadian Quadders Review. Come and check these guys out in Enderby, BC, Canada. Kiwis is the name. And they are into selling boats as well as golf carts and chainsaws and ride-on lawnmowers and things. There's dirt bikes and outboard engines inside as well that we'll be doing some reviews on shortly. Come and check these guys out. They've been fantastic with me so far. Mickey is the fellow to talk to. And he does have another sales associate whose name I forget right now, but I'll be getting their business cards and showing them to you. And yeah, just tell them that Canadian Quadders Review sent you. They'll take excellent care of you. I so appreciate you guys being here. Please take a second right now and hit like and subscribe. I'm almost up to 1,000 subscribers. When I checked this morning, I was at 899. We are so close. Please take 2 seconds and hit the subscribe button for me. You don't even have to hit the notification bell if you don't want to, but it helps to get my name out there. It helps this channel to grow, and it's free for you to do, so it's even a bonus for you. But thank you again for being here, guys. Thank you for your support. Thank you for hitting the Amazon links and using them. That's been a huge help for me as well. And I guess we're going to check you guys out on the next video. Take care.